She's like, what?
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, my, she'll get a kick out of it. Adriana wants to see it, too. Oh, she does.
Is that good?
Oh, she wants that berry.
You want the berry, Winnie?
Look at her looking at her.
Look at the tongue hanging out.
You want the berry? Say thank you. Josie gave you her berry. Yummy.
Give them. So, Jenna, which half of the garage is yours?
The left half.
And then there's a wall down the center?
No, it's actually open.
Honest to God?
Yeah.
It's kind of bizarre.
Yeah, right now our there's nobody up on the second floor, so we just use the whole thing right now. Yeah, because it's been empty for like 3 weeks now. Oh, look at those girls.
What did you put on the other side?
Just the cars. We don't really have much stuff.
Yeah, we
you know.
never really store anything in there anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Is it yummy?
But Jenna said she heard new people were coming in.